Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily make your Snapchat profile or account private, so let's jump right into it. First go ahead and open Snapchat and then tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. From here, scroll down until you find the privacy settings. Here, tap on use my Bitmoji avatar. Make sure that it is set to only me. After that, tap on contact me. Make sure it is set to friends. After that, tap on view my story. Make sure it is sent to friends only. Go back from there and tap on see me in quick add. Make sure it is turned off. Go back from there and then tap on see my location and make sure the ghost mode is turned on. Tap on it and then tap on until turned off. And that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.